This is a lovely morning, friends. Good morning. And lovely gulmohar tree, flowers, birds chirping, beautiful, lovely. And weather is clear, very nice weather, clear weather. And this is a curry patta, neem tree, which we use for making curry, especially for South Indian dishes. So friends, now I'll show you how to make curd chicken, Indian curd chicken, and that is really an amazing dish, and it is very simple also. So come, let's go and enjoy. Now we have entered the kitchen. This is our chicken. This is butter. This is onion, tomato, clove, and cumin, turmeric, salt. This is ginger garlic paste, a bit of a salt, butter, curd, and this is little sugar. Now this is our pressure cooker. These are the ingredients what we all have to use it for making Indian curd chicken. Yes, done. Lovely morning, friends. Now we are adding little bit of butter. Yeah, this goes here. A little bit of a more. Yes, this goes. Here goes little onion. A bit of a cumin. This is garlic, small quantity, salt, little bit of sugar, ginger garlic paste. Now chopped potato, because we are having chicken quantity is bit lesser considering the lockdown, so I have added little potato. And this is our curd. We'll add curd after the tomato, because tomato is sour and curd is also a little sour and sweet mix, so we have to keep that in mind. I'm going to add one spoon, 2 spoons, here it goes, 3 spoons, and then finally we are going to add meat or chicken masala. You can add either of these. This is our, I'm going to add meat masala. You can get it in any of the grocery shop. Everywhere it is available. If you like spice, you add 2 teaspoons. If you don't like much spice, just add 1. because I like lesser spice, so I'm using just one. So now we are done with the spices. Now we are going to add little water. Here goes the water. We'll stir it and mix all the spices here, because we are going to put chicken. Yeah, for about 5 to 10 minutes, let it get roast. Now, slowly we are going to add our chicken into it. Saute. And if you like a bit chili, you can add little chili flakes. Here I'm adding chili flakes. This is our chili flake. If you don't like chili, leave it. Yes. This is a lovely, beautiful morning, friends. Hope you guys are enjoying your tea. Make it a normal tea or be it in green tea, whatever. And in case you try this, wish you good luck to have a yummy Indian curd chicken. And this chicken I'm making it for my vlog, Ksins cooking show. And earlier I had made all the drinks, organic, natural, healthy drinks for this lockdown, so that your immunity is high and you don't have any cough and cold, and you enjoy your lockdown indoors, safe and sound. So guys, before you watch, just like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Now our chicken is into a boiling point that we can see. Yeah, now we are going to put the lid.